The amount column format can be changed to any currency you wish if needed. For example, you can either change the format of the currency by changing the actual file settings by clicking on File and Spreadsheet Settings, then changing the locality of the spreadsheet. For example, changing it to United States dollar or United States, save those settings, and now you'll notice this currency symbol has changed to US dollar. Your format is still pounds. Therefore, select the cell ranges that you wish to change, and now click on this currency format. Yep, okay, that's just a simple warning, and there you go. The other way to do it is go to Format, click on Number, and More Formats, Custom Number Formats. I would choose something as similar to what I want it to look like anyway. So for example, this one over here. And then what I would do is I would edit this to make it look like how I want it. There you go. Rack around that. And one dash. And there you go. So now change the currency to whatever you want it to be. Apply. Okay. And there you go. It's gotten rid of all the zeros and it's put on the currency acronym at the front.